In the next episode of the Seftigum Sense and Data, word will no longer be the same because truth just learned it not to small secret. It is the kind of truth that can destroy a person from inside for years. She carried the pain of losing her sister. Now suddenly she is told that the person she cried for may still be alive. The shock will be break to Dekla and heart. It will be give her new reason to fight. She will not sit quietly anymore because now her tears have turned into questions. Who lied to her? Why was her two sisters hidden from her? And most importantly, why did Erkan stay silent when he knew how much this truth meant to her? Erkan will try to explain, but Dekla pain will be stronger than his word. She will be looked at not only as a man she loved, but she also as a man who kept away from biggest truth for her life. Erkan may say he wanted to protect her, but Dekla will ask him what kind of protection leaves someone living inside a lie. This confrontation will not too loud only because of angry. It will be painful because the is still there. Dekla heartbeat may still have Erkan, but her trusted has been badly wounded. Kadir position will become even more important. He told to Dekla the truth when others stayed silent. Because of that, Dekla may begin to that Kadir understand her pain better than anyone. This will make Erkan uncomfortable because he will see that distance between him and Dekla is growing. While Kadir is standing closer to her darkest moment, the rivalry between these two men will now become deeper than jealousy. It will become a question of who truly deserves Dekla trust. Meanwhile, to Hamadi, death will bring a heavy shadow over the family. The house will be filled with sadness, but behind the dead sadness, older and hidden guilt with race. He said to make decisions that changed the family forever, while Insi will forced to face the result of her own action. No one will able to escape the past now because every secret is slowly coming to the surface. Furman, of the another hand, will not stop when he realized that Daria True is getting closer. His anger will become too dangerous. Sivan Nilofer love will be tested because Furman will try to use them a person in new games. And while Dekla searches for her sister, Farad will also move her closer her to own identity. The next will be episode fully of heartbreak, confrontation, and emotional decision. The biggest question is simple: will Dekla find the sister she lost, or will another light stand between her and True?